Exam secret number 15. This is probably the last one, the day of the exam. What do you do with the day of exam? So we've gone through all of that, and now we come to the end of the series on how to study. This is the last in the series. This is the last one. And we remember how we started out with SQ3R. You remember SQ3R? And now we're right to the end with the day of the exam, and good luck for your exams. So please remember the day of the exam, the night before the exams, have a good night's sleep, have your almond milk. Remember the recipe: almond milk, saffron with crushed almonds and hot more milk. Have a good night's sleep. Go through your index cards, wake up early in the morning, shower, get dressed. You must feel good. You must get to the exams very early. You must get the exams early in time. Take out your index cards, and you can't take the index cards with you into the exam hall. I mean, they'll fire you. No, they won't fire you. What they do? They'll exclude you from the examination hall, whatever. Don't take notes. Don't take any scribbling notes, please. This is your time. This is your life. You studied now. And remember, keep yourself positive. Main thing about it, get a good night's sleep, milk and almonds. Wake up early, shower, get there early, sit by yourself. Don't sit with your friends. They're going to start working on your brain. They're going to make you panic because they say, oh, I didn't study that. Oh, I forgot that. They're going to be talking like they know everything. Meanwhile, they know nothing. Okay, people just pretend. And meanwhile, they're going to panic you. You're going to start having anxiety. You're going to have a panic attack. So please don't sit with your friends. Go sit by yourself. Just say, look, I'm not feeling well. Okay, I'm going to sit by myself. Sit by yourself. Otherwise, they're going to work on your brain. They're going to work you up. You're going to get stressed out. Meanwhile, you've studied hard. So don't let them play with your brain. People are going to be playing with your brain. Don't let them do that. You know why? Because it's your life. Your parents are paying for it. Your grandparents are paying for it. Or you've got a loan from the bank. You're going to have to pay the bank back again. As a doctor, many doctors start off bankrupt because you've got so many loans to pay back and the banks want their money back. Or maybe you got a bursary. So you got a loyalty to everybody. You can't. To study is not a joke. It's not a joke. It's not a circus. It's not Walt Disney World. You got to be serious. So for the exams, stay by yourself. Don't panic. Take deep breaths. Please take deep breaths. That's going to put oxygen into your brain, and that's going to calm you down so you won't even get... The minute you feel stressed out, take deep breaths. Calm yourself down. You tell yourself, I know this work. I've studied hard. I know it, and I'm going to pass. Pray to God, say, oh God, my parents are working hard to put me through education. Guide me so that I can pass these exams. Muslims normally say, Rabbi zidni ilma, oh my Lord, increase me in knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma, oh my Lord, increase me in knowledge. Remember that the knowledge is inside your subconscious brain. But the main thing is for the day of the exam, don't let anybody panic you. Thank you for joining me in this series. We started off with SQ3R, went through everything, and now we ended up with the day of the exam. Stay well, look after yourself. Exams are easy, provided you are serious about working hard. You must always remember, someone is sacrificing hard to make you succeed. Your parents are always sacrificing. Your mother is sacrificing. Your father is sacrificing. Your grandparents are sacrificing. Your family is supporting you. Everyone wants you to pass. Please don't go to campus and sleep on the grass. Please don't do that. And in school, pay attention to what the teacher is saying. Take notes. You must take a lot of notes. Try and understand what is going on. Come home. Revise the work. Make notes on the index card. Revise it in a day's time. Revise it by the weekend. Keep on revising. Avoid the parties. For the 3 years or 6 years, you sacrifice. You must sacrifice your parties. Sacrifice everything. And then you say, okay, by the time I'm finished, you're planting the seeds while you're studying. And the harvest of that fruit is very sweet. Best of luck for your exams. Stay well. Look after yourself. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Salams and Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Ameen. Rabbil Alameen. And then I forgot, I don't have my board here. Maybe I can find it quickly for you. Because the one that I like is to help. So, okay, subscribe. Help me grow my channel. That's the one I've got. I don't know if it's upside down. Okay, as long as you know what that is. And then very quickly, it's the one I can't find it. But remember, don't quit when things are going hard. Don't quit. Don't give up. Keep studying. Work hard. And get cracking on your exams. No matter how difficult it is, get cracking. Stay well. Look after yourself. And good luck with the exams. I'm sure you'll make a good job of it. And you'll have a wonderful career one day. You'll look back to all these days and you say, what? I'm glad I sacrificed the parties. And I'm glad I stopped sleeping on the lawn. I'm so happy I spent time in the library. Okay, look after yourself. We're going to make South Africa a lacquer place. Educate the nation. Education for the nation. Stay well. Share this knowledge with everybody. Stay well. Look after yourself.